Alright guys, been having these for a while. Hopefully they're not dead. Brand new batteries. So let's get those in the trunk here. Alright guys, so in this video, as y'all can see, we're changing batteries again. But today, the only difference is we're going to be changing out the batteries that run the Chem system, and that is basically my bunk heat. I haven't been operating it the way it should, honestly guys, in 5 years that I've owned it. I replaced the batteries about a year and a half ago or so.
Yeah, about 2 years.
About maybe 2 years ago or so, and then my condenser got a hole in it, so lost all my freon. So these batteries basically just went bad. Didn't ever really get used like talking. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace them, all 4 of them, and it's a 15 millimeter, socket. And the way I like to do it, guys, so I don't have no wire mix-ups like I've had in the past, is I do one at a time. There's no way to mess it up that way, guys. So taking the negative off first, now the positive, and this will go right back just the way it was, y'all. So just move that out the way, and lift up on this front side of the battery like so, and then kind of pull at the same time. It's kind of pain, but it's coming. Once you get it up on that lip like that, kind of help it out from the backside. If I can get it around these bolts. There you go. So just takes a little strength. Caps off before we shove it in there. Pause. There we go, y'all. Just like that. Let's get the positive hooked up first. I mean the negative hooked up first. Be on the safe side. And we'll go back through here, y'all, and tighten all this down once we've got it all mounted back the right way. As for now, just gonna go through here and just put the nuts back on the studs like that, and so on to the next one. We're gonna do this for all 4 in the same way, and I'll give you guys an update here shortly.
I didn't even see that.
Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up?
It's my son from Florida. He's here visiting for the summer.
Yep.
You having fun so far? Good. All right, y'all. Got all 4 new batteries installed. Here's the old 4. These things are dated back to 2020, so they're a little over 4 years old. So yeah, guys, it was about time. I noticed when we first hooked them up, that little green light right there turned on like it just did. So I'm guessing our system's got power, it's got juice. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video on replacing the batteries on the Kenworth T680 Kim's management system. So if the video helped you out and you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel and you like what you've seen, you found it interesting in some shape, way, or form, go on and hit that subscribe button, y'all. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free. And also, while you're at it, activate that bell icon down below. That'll give you guys notifications every time we drop something new in this video. And like I always say, thank you all. Love you all. God bless you all. Stay tuned for many more to come. Because we're always doing something, y'all. So love you all. Till the next time, we out.